Hi guys, my name is Marlen. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be making Mexican enchiladas or enchiladas de queso con cecina. For the ingredients, you're going to be needing cecina, potatoes and carrots that I already have pre-chopped and some water so they don't brown, cabbage or lettuce, tomato, avocado, onion, garlic, limes, chile guajillo, chile de árbol, sour cream of your choice, queso fresco, jalapenos and vinagre, salt, and consomme. And some water. I'm gonna put salt, and I'm gonna put the potato and the carrot there. And I'm gonna let them cook maybe like halfway, not all the way through, because you don't want them too soft. Now that we put the potato and the carrot in boiling water, I'm gonna add lime and salt to the meat. Para la cecina, yo solamente le agrego limón y sal. Si quieren usar la que ya está preparada, la que viene cocida, la pueden usar, pero yo prefiero hacerla yo. And now I'm just gonna mix the lime and the salt, and I'm just gonna leave it to rest. For the chile guajillo, we need to take out all the seeds, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take off the tail and rip it, and then just poke your finger in it and open the chile. If you want, you can cut it in half too. That way you take all of this out. Like so. In some boiling water, I'm gonna add all of the chile guajillo and the tomatoes and the chile de árbol. So the chiles have been in the water for maybe like 12 minutes. And in the blender, I'm gonna add a garlic clove and like 1/4 of an onion. And I'm only gonna add the chiles guajillos, okay? The tomato and the chile de árbol is for another salsa. And if you have a glass blender, you can blend everything together with the water that you had in the pot. But since mine's plastic, I have to add cold water. And I'm gonna add some salt. For the water, it was maybe about a cup or two. I'm just gonna blend. So now that you have blended your chiles together, you're gonna put it on a plate. And the consistency, you don't want it too watery. In the same blender, or you can wash it if you want, I'm gonna add onion, a garlic, and the tomatoes, and chile de árbol. Ya molí el tomate y el chile de árbol, and I'm gonna add a little bit of consomme. This is to your taste, okay? And mix and taste it as you go. I have a pan here with some oil and it's hot, so now it's ready to add the meat. En un comal caliente con aceite voy a poner las papas y la zanahoria para que se empiece a dorar. For the potato and the carrot, I'm just going to keep on moving it in the oil until it starts getting crispy. So for the meat, you're just going to keep on flipping it over and over until it gets really, really crispy. I've been moving the potato and the carrot for a couple of minutes already, and now I'm gonna add some of the chile rojo that we blended. The potatoes and the carrot, I moved it to the side, and then I'm gonna add some oil so we can start making the enchiladas. For this, you're gonna need plenty of oil, you guys, okay? So don't worry. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a corn tortilla, and you're gonna dip it in your chile, and then just put it, okay? And have your cheese on the side because you're gonna have to put it in here, okay? Now I'm gonna add the cheese. You can add as much or as little as you want, okay? You can either roll them up or just fold them in half. And then keep on adding oil for the next enchiladas that you're gonna make. Is this okay for you? Now that you've served your enchiladas, I'm gonna put some potato and carrot on the side. And if you want, you can add a little bit of more cheese on top. It's up to you. Okay, and then come over here with me. I'm gonna add some cabbage, sour cream. I like to add some avocado on top. And some salsa. With a chile and vinagre, and I just put it on the side. So for the meat, I know it looks kind of burnt, but this is the way that I like it. I like it really crispy to where it's almost falling apart, okay? But if you don't, then you can do it however you like because you're the one who's gonna be eating it. And now we're done. You can also eat it with rice and beans on the side, but I just like them like this. Okay guys, so this is our final result for the Enchiladas Mexicanas. Here we have enchiladas and red sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed my video for the enchiladas. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!